Welcome to Trigonometry. In this video, we're going to do some homework problems that have to do with lines in the plane. The next question we want to look at is a line that goes through the point -1, 3 and has a slope of m equals 2. And what we want to do is find a point-slope form for the equation of that line, the slope-intercept form for the equation of that line, and the general form of the equation of that line. So here we have the point -1, 3 and the slope of -2. We want to find a point-slope form of the equation. Fortunately, we're given a point and a slope, which is what the point-slope form is named for. The point-slope form takes a point x1, y1, which we'll call that, and a slope m, and puts it into this equation here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. And what we want to do here is just simply plug in those values directly. So we plug y1, which is 3, in here, and x1, which is -1, into here, and m, which is -2, into there, which yields y minus 3 equals -2 times x minus -1. And this is technically a point-slope form for the equation of the line. If you wanted, you could simplify this here. That's pretty common that your teachers might want you to do that. And so you'd end up with y minus 3 equals -2 times x plus 1. This is probably what most instructors would be looking for if they asked you to find the point-slope form of a line. Now we need to find the slope-intercept form of the line. That's pretty straightforward because all we need to do is now just solve for y and simplify the right-hand side. First, to solve for y, we just need to add 3 to both sides. And this results in y is equal to -2 times the quantity x plus 1 plus 3. Then we just need to simplify this right-hand side. We can use the distributive property to distribute that -2 inside, and that results in y is equal to -2x minus 2 plus 3. Adding -2 and 3 together, we get 1, and this produces y is equal to -2x plus 1. And that would be a slope-intercept form of the equation. So this one here is the point-slope form. This is the slope-intercept form. To find the general form of the equation, we want to get an ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c don't have any common factors. So what we'll do is we'll just add the 2x here to the other side of the equation. So we'll add 2x to both sides of the equation like that, and we'll end up with 2x plus y is equal to 1. And this is in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a is 2, b is 1, that's the coefficient on y here, and c is also 1. 2, 1, and 1 don't have any common factors among all three of them, and so that's the general form of the equation. So point-slope form, slope-intercept form, general form of the equation. And that's it for today's video on trigonometry. If it was helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to Trigonometry. The only way we can continue to produce video content like this is if we get help from subscribers like you. And so if we helped you, please help us out by liking and subscribing to this video. And we'll see you next time on Trigonometry.